So as usual, as soon as I start filming a video, my neighbor starts gardening. So just ignore that outside noise because I want to invite you to my free masterclass coming up in a couple of days. It is called How to Turn Your Social Media Conversations into Customers. If you have been following me at all online, you know it is something I talk about all the time. Yes, you can use social media to actually build your business. But what I constantly see businesses doing, and entrepreneurs and people who are just trying to figure out social media in general, they're just wasting their time. They don't know what to post. They don't know how to post it. They don't know exactly what they should be doing. So they just throw a lot of stuff out there. And you know what happens? Nothing. Nothing except all of their time is now gone. And they're sitting there saying, how are people making all this money on social media? And I am just dying over here. So what I'm going to do for you guys is next week in my free masterclass, I'm going to break down all of the steps that I use that I've been successfully using for multiple clients over many years that has helped them not only to build their social media conversations, but actually create the conversations that make real world customers. Like, yes, people meet you online and then, oh, hello, it's your customer. That stuff can happen as long as you are doing your social media correctly. So just sign up below this video, join my free masterclass. It will just answer all your questions about how these people are doing it. Because you know, you've seen the people that are overnight successes on social media. Oh my God, how is their business making all this money? I am going to show you not only how they did it, how my customers have been doing it, but how you can do it too for your business. Again, it's a free masterclass. Sign up below this video, or maybe that sign up box is above my head. I don't even know at this point. Just sign up and you know what? Join me and I will answer all your questions because, by the way, this is happening live and I will see you in the free live workshop. Wait, are we calling it a workshop? Sure, now it's a workshop. It was a masterclass a couple weeks ago. All right, see you coming soon. Sign up.